All right, Buick time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Let's take a look at what we have here. 1955 Buick Century Riviera. Now, of course, in 55, the Riviera meant hardtop. So as you can see, two-door hardtop. The Riviera nameplate didn't come along till later in Buick manufacturing. And the Century would be the same size now as the Special, but what they did is when they reintroduced the second gen Buicks here, a Century nameplate, they took a Special, put the larger 322 nailhead V8 in it, and that's where the Century came from. That's why it has the 4 portholes. So, like I said, 322 nailhead V8 underneath the hood that is paired with an automatic transmission. And we're going to pop that hood, start it up, let you listen to it. Of course, this has that foot-feet start that we're going to check out, which Buicks are known for. As far as the paint, this is a nice color. It's an interesting color. I guess I'd call it a medium green or a gray green. Let you take a look at it yourself, let you decide too. And it's very true to what color you see in the videos and the pictures. Now let's take a look at the bright work and the chrome up front. Of course, that mid-50s and into the later 50s styling in the front ends. Look up and down this car too. Again, not a real long car for a Buick, but good size. And then this one does have the Continental kit. Has a little bit of dinging along the bright work there. Now, as far as the rear wheel wells, we do have the Fender Skirts. I have it pictured with them on. I decided to picture them with it off and took them off for the video. But you can check that out in the still pictures. And still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us too. 507-386-1726. Interior, kind of a gray two-tone combination with green tying into it also. Black dash. I'll get around there and kind of show you what I found to work as far as wipers and everything there. Again, check out that Continental kit. Dual exhaust coming out the back. 1955 was the first year that the Buick Century sported those Venta ports also. Now here's, like I was talking about, the Fender Skirts. If you want them, great. If you don't, we won't make you take them. How does that sound? Again, check out the bright work on the rear of the car, around the tail lights. Once again, phone number if you want to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. I'm going to go to the front. Let's work our way back. Check out those Venta ports. Riding on the wide white walls. Bright work looking good on this side. Let's go ahead and check out the interior here too, and then start it up and check out underneath the hood. Door panels. There was one little spot in the seat. It's been taped up. Just want to point that out, very small. Now, as far as what I found to work, appeared all the gauges worked. We're going to start it out. Let you check those out. Horn worked, wipers worked, but it is on the switch that's underneath the dash because they put electric motor wipers in there. All right, of course, on these, turn the key, touch the foot feet, and it starts. All right, and like I said, the gas gauge went up, amps move, oil goes up, temperature gauge, assuming that's going to come up with water temperature. I did not have the radio working, although I did notice there were speakers that had been added to the rear deck. I'll click that on. I did not have the radio come on. Here, I'll smooth that nailhead V8 runs. Slip around to the back and we'll listen to that. Nice, quiet, smooth running Buick. Fun to pull into some roll-ins, cruise-ins, or any of the local shows in this car. This one will turn some heads, no doubt about that. What a classic. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood. Let's take a look at that 322 underneath there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Hood popped. Again, nice and tidy underneath here. This has recently had an oil change. Coolant flushed. New battery installed, FYI. Pretty smooth running Buick V8 right there. Look at that. Stay quiet so you can hear that run. It's not what you hear, it's what you don't hear. Nice smooth running. 322 nailhead in this 1955 Buick Century Riviera. What a nice looking two-door. Again, Fender Skirts if you'd like those included. They're all yours. If not, let us know. Phone number 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.